Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, so your girl is back with another video for you, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to bleach your frontal knots like a pro. Like you want that scalpy illusion, sis, I got you on this. Okay, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. All right, guys. So the hair that I'm going to be working with today is from Madam Titi Hair Collection. Yes, that's me. Okay, guys. So it's 18 inches body wave, and that's just me showing you guys the knot. Like it's dark, so let's bleach the knot. All right, guys. So I'm going to go in with my Ractic comb, and I'm just gonna comb all the baby hair. And I'm also gonna go in with my got to be free spray to just lock the hair in place. It's just gonna stay where you want it. Yeah, that's what the got to be does. Okay, yes, we're not trying to bleach the hair, sis, we're trying to bleach the knots, so make sure you do this. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead to flip it over, and I'm gonna go in with my BW2 bleach powder. You can use any bleach powder of your choice, but I always use this Claro BW2 powder, and I'm using just one scoop. Guys, when I started bleaching, I used to use 2-3 scoops, but trust me, you don't need more than one. So when you're going to mix, you have to pour your developer gradually. Okay, you do not want to just pour it at once, because sometimes you need more, sometimes you need less, so depending on the environment that you are. So please take note of that. Just pour it gradually, you know and that's the consistency you want to go for. Okay, like an icing consistency. Okay, just like that. You don't want it too thick, and you don't want it runny. So I'm gonna go in with my color corrector drops, and I'm supposed to do like one drop, like, but I almost poured everything, so that's gonna make my mixture too thin. So I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of bleach, a little bit oh my goodness, a little bit of bleach powder. Yeah, so now that's the consistency I want. So the color corrector drop is just to eliminate brassiness. Okay, even though we're still going to use purple shampoo. I have it in the house, and I just felt like using it. That's optional. Okay, you don't have to use it. So now it's time for us to bleach. So you want to start applying your mixture, and you want to start spreading that with your table knife, just like you're spreading a butter. Don't be hard, don't press it. Like, sis, don't press. Just spread. And if you miss any spots, feel free to go back in to add that mixture. Okay, to apply the mixture. So guys, I need you guys to take notes. Okay, different hair take bleach differently. Please take notes. I will advise, if you're a beginner or you don't know the hair that you're working with, set your timer to 20 minutes first, and please go for like 30 volume developer or 20 volume. Don't go for 40 yet. Okay, yes, and as time goes on, the more you do this thing, the better understanding you get about this whole plucking, bleaching, and all of those good stuff. Then you can start using 40 volume developer. Yes, that's my advice for you guys. And you're just gonna keep spreading that like a butter. You see, like, just spread it. Be gentle, don't be hard, do not press. Okay, all right guys, so if you have to compose a song for yourself, like, do not press, I'm not gonna press, I'm just gonna spread this mixture like I'm spreading a butter on the bread. Guys, if I can sing, I won't be in decoration unit in my church. I will probably be singing. So I can't sing. Anyway, let's get back to it. So once I was done, I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes. Like I said, you want to make sure you set your timer, and so you don't forget. Like I told my student, like I had a student and I told her, hey girl, you have to set your timer. And one day she called me, oh, I over bleach. I said, that's because you didn't set your timer. If you set your timer, there's no way you forget, because your alarm is gonna ring. So please make sure you set your timer. So I'm gonna go in with my cling wrap to cover it up. That's gonna make it process nicely and faster as well. So it was already 30 minutes and I came back to check how things are looking. By the way, guys, so I'm bleaching another closure from another vendor. That's from my hair collection as well. I'm just gonna show you guys that different hair bleach differently. So the way that you know that it's ready, it's once you can't find no black knots. You're going to open up the hair to see if you still have dark knots. As you guys can see, that one is not ready, so I had to go back into set 20 minutes for that one. Well, 30 minutes was enough for the frontal. So set your timer, keep checking. If you have to set more time, please go ahead to do that. So now I'm gonna go in with warm water to rinse the bleach out of the closure or out of the frontal, anyone. Anyways, so after that, I'm going to go in with my Shimmer Light Purple shampoo. I'm gonna apply that on the closure, leave it there for 15 minutes to take out all the brassiness, okay? And after 15 minutes, I washed it and I applied my conditioner by Tresemme, and I left the conditioner there for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I went ahead to pluck my frontal. And if you like to see how to pluck your own frontal, I'm going to leave the link above or in the description bar below, so you can check it out, guys. And guys, tell me what lace, I can't even find her, she doesn't exist, that's growing from my scalp. Oh, crew. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If this video was helpful to you in any way, if you learned something new, please let me know in the comment section what you have learned in this video. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell on so you get to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, thank you so much. I love you and I know you love me too.